Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So as part of this video, I'll be covering how to install Hybris suite and software required to run Hybris. So let's get started. So I'll be listing down which all softwares are required to run Hybris. First one is Java 1.8. Second one is 7-zip. Third one is Notepad++. This is kind of optional one, wherein Notepad gives so much flexibility to edit or to update any of the content. So that is the reason I recommend you to use Notepad++. And the fourth one is the Hybris suite. So these are the main softwares which are required to run a Hybris application in our local system. So let's see how to download these and how does the setup file looks like. As you can see, I have already downloaded these softwares. The first one is Hybris Commerce Suite, the second one is 7-zip file, and the third one is Java 8, and the third one is Notepad++. So I have downloaded from these links. As you can see, right, I have went to these websites and I have downloaded it, Java 8 from the Oracle website. So let me open this website and show like way to download it. So through the first link I have downloaded that setup file, and for Java 8 I have downloaded it through the Oracle website. So in the Oracle website, just scroll down and then here you can see Java 8. Based on your machine's OS, you can download it. As I'm having Windows, I've clicked here and then I have installed, as I'm having a 64-bit operating system. So I've clicked on this and then I have installed it. So this is how I have downloaded the Java 8. And the next one is Notepad++. So you can see all the links I have downloaded it in its official website only. It is always recommended to download it in the official website. So in this I have downloaded the latest version. Here you can see, right, v8.2. So next step is I will be running this setup files and showing you like how to install this. The first one is I will install Notepad++. Just you have to click yes, okay, next, I agree, and the next button, just keep clicking next. If you want any shortcuts, or else you can tick this, or else you can ignore, and then click on install button. Now we can see it has been installed. So once I click on finish button, this Notepad++ will run, and you can see it is already installed. So I will pin this to my taskbar and then close this. The next one is 7-zip. In the similar fashion, we have to install this. So you can see already it has been installed now. I close this. The next one is JDK. So I opened it. I am clicking on next button. Just click on next here. We can see the installation is in progress. Now it is copying new files. Now I have clicked on next button. Now it says status installing Java. So it will take a couple of minutes here to install the Java. So let's wait for a minute. Now we can see here Java SE development kit 8 update 3.11 successfully installed. So now I will close this. So the next step is to see whether our local machine in our local machine, to verify whether the Java has been installed or not. So for that, what we have to do is go to my PC or go to any of the folder, click here and enter command cmd. Now to see which version we have installed, we have to give Java space hyphen and then version. So now we can see the Java version here, it has been installed 1.8.0. and to see the compiler version, you can give the command javac hyphen version. So as you can see here, now it is not showing the javac version. So for this, right, if you encounter this, we have to set the environment variables for our system, then only it will be showing the Java compiler installed in our machine. For that, what you have to do is click on Windows X, go to the control panel and then search for the environment variables and click here edit environment variables for your account. So I'll click here and then for that I'll give the Java home. So Java home should be given till the JDK directory. So for that you have to go to C program files. So as it has been installed under this folder, you can see Java here and till JDK will be our Java home. Click on OK. Here you can see the entry. The one more entry you have to add is the path variable. So for that path variable you have to give till the bin and then click on OK, and then here you have to click on OK. So now let's see whether we are able to see the Java compiler version or not. So first is Java version, you can see. The next one is Java compiler JAVAC hyphen version. Still it is not recognizing. Let's see. So as still we are not seeing the javac version, so for that we have to close the current command session and then open the new one, then it will start reflecting. Let me show you that. So for that I go to F version here, you can open it anyway. So click on command and then see the javac version. So now we can see the Java compiler version, it is pointing to 1.8.0. In a similar way, again I will show you the Java version here. So in order to get this, as I said, you have to go to the control panel and then click on the edit environment variables. Here you can see the Java home we have to give till JDK directory and the path till the bin. So this is how you have to point the Java home and the path variables. Then only in your system it will start showing the Java installed and the Java compiler version. So this is pretty much about the Java installation part. So now we have installed Java 1.8 and then we have installed 7-zip and then we have installed Notepad++. Now the next step is to install the Hybris suite. For the Hybris suite I have already downloaded it. You can say it. I'll copy this and go to So F drive and create a one folder called and I'll name it as Hybris. Here I will copy this. So this suit is of 2 GB in size. So to extract this we have to have the 7-zip. So SAP recommends to use 7-zip. If you try to unzip with other softwares, the unzipping part will not happen properly. So if the files get corrupted, then while running the Hybris application it will give the error. So that is the reason we have to install the 7-zip, and through the 7-zip we have to extract this particular suit. So let's extract this Hybris suit and see what and all folders do we have inside this Hybris suit. So as you can see, it is copying from the downloads to Hybris directory. Now I'll right click on this, go to 7-zip and then click extract here. So now we can see it started extracting, and in the background you can see the new folders, the folders inside the suite got extracted and it is loading with all the rest of the files. So this will take a couple of minutes, so let's wait for it and then see like which and all files has been extracted. So now we can see almost it has been complete, 100% extracting, and the files extracted it is showing here 124260. These many files has been extracted through this suite. So now our Hybris folder is ready. So we have extracted through this commerce zip, and these are the folders inside that particular zip file. So this is how the Hybris suite looks like. We have all the out of the box extensions and the platform folder to start our server, to stop the server. So in my upcoming videos I'll be explaining you like how to do this setup of this Hybris and then run it in our local. So if you need any of the software links, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be sharing you these links. Yeah, that's it guys for this video. If you have any doubts, you can comment, or you can add the comment in the comment section. I'll be replying to all your queries. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please do share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again.